Imagine stumbling upon tools so powerful, so game-changing, that early adopters quietly turned small ideas into empires worth millions before the rest of the world even caught on. Artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's a gold mine that keeps producing new opportunities for anyone willing to act quickly. The secret isn't just using AI, it's spotting the right tools before they become mainstream. The reality is, the future millionaires of this decade are the ones exploring AI today, while everyone else is still scrolling. You don't need a billion-dollar startup or a Silicon Valley background. You need awareness, creativity, and the right platforms. Let's talk about 9 AI tools that have the potential to transform early adopters into the next wave of millionaires. Each one of these is more than just cool tech. They're weapons for building businesses, automating tasks, and creating wealth streams that weren't even possible a few years ago. The first one on the radar is AI-driven copywriting and content generation platforms. Imagine this: businesses have always relied on persuasive words, from sales pages to advertisements. Traditionally, hiring expert copywriters cost thousands, and even then, turnaround times were weeks. Now, tools powered by natural language processing can generate compelling sales copy, social media posts, email campaigns, and even video scripts in seconds. Early adopters are using these tools not just to save money, but to launch entire agencies that deliver content at lightning speed. Instead of 1 client per week, they can manage 10. Instead of charging low fees, they scale, package, and automate their service. The beauty lies in the leverage, because one person with a laptop can achieve the output of a full marketing team. Imagine a teenager in their bedroom writing an AI-assisted ad that boosts a small business's revenue by thousands overnight. That's not a fantasy anymore. That's happening now. Then comes AI video creation platforms. Think about how costly video production once was. You needed cameras, actors, lights, editors, and weeks of post-production. But now, AI can take a simple text script and turn it into a professional-looking video, complete with realistic avatars, voiceovers, and cinematic effects. Businesses crave video because it converts better than text, and creators crave it because it builds audiences faster. By mastering these tools early, people are starting YouTube channels, TikTok accounts, and ad-based businesses with content made at 10 times the pace of traditional production. Imagine uploading 5 videos a day instead of 1 a week. Compound that over months, and you see why some people are already stacking revenue streams with this technology. There are creators right now who no one had ever heard of, suddenly hitting millions of views because AI allowed them to outproduce the competition. Another sector where AI is minting millionaires is design automation. Graphic design, once the domain of Adobe Masters, has been cracked open by AI platforms that generate logos, branding kits, product mock-ups, and even full website templates in minutes. Entrepreneurs who used to pay hundreds for design are now getting entire brand packages overnight. The real winners are those who grab these tools and offer services. Think about it. Small businesses, startups, and influencers constantly need fresh visuals. A single person who knows how to harness AI design tools can handle dozens of clients simultaneously and scale into an agency, or even launch their own e-commerce brand with standout visuals. There's already a story of a college student who used AI design tools to sell logos on freelancing platforms. Within months, they built a 6-figure side hustle simply by automating creativity that clients thought required days of human work. Speaking of e-commerce, AI product research tools are reshaping the entire industry. Success in e-commerce has always been about timing, finding that trending product before it floods the market. Traditionally, sellers spent hours digging through sales data, supplier catalogs, and trend reports. AI tools now crunch millions of data points instantly, predicting what's going viral, where it's underpriced, and how it's performing on global marketplaces. Sellers who tap into these insights can launch stores that look like overnight successes. Imagine being the first to sell the next fidget spinner before anyone else knew it existed. That's the kind of advantage AI research is giving people right now. The key is speed. AI is giving entrepreneurs the ability to move at lightning pace, outmaneuvering bigger competitors who are still using old methods. But it doesn't stop at products. There are AI platforms creating entire e-commerce operations, writing product descriptions, creating product images, generating SEO-optimized blogs, and even handling customer service via chatbots. A single individual with the right combination of tools can launch a store, automate 70% of the work, and scale to levels that used to require a full team. These are the stories we'll hear years from now. Someone sitting in their bedroom, automating an empire that nobody took seriously at first. Today's dropshipping hustlers are being replaced by AI-powered store builders who manage everything from customer interaction to product launches at the click of a button. AI stock market and crypto prediction tools are another field where fortunes are being made. While no tool guarantees financial success, AI excels at detecting patterns humans often miss. Algorithms trained on decades of data analyze trends, market signals, and sentiment faster than any human could. Some investors are already leveraging AI assistants to guide trades, adjust portfolios, and anticipate moves in real time. Those who adopt early don't just make better decisions, they gain access to insights that others only discover months later. Of course, it requires discipline and strategy, but when you combine human judgment with AI precision, you unlock a new era of investing. Imagine a retail investor with the power of tools once reserved for Wall Street firms. That's the revolution unfolding right now. Let's not forget the rise of AI in education and training. Platforms that once required armies of tutors are now run by AI tutors capable of personalizing learning for every student. People are building businesses around these platforms, whether it's offering AI-powered courses, language training, or certification prep. Knowledge has always been a lucrative industry, but now the delivery is faster, cheaper, and scalable. Entrepreneurs who build educational products on top of these AI tools will find themselves in a booming market as more people worldwide look for affordable and personalized ways to upskill. Just imagine someone in a remote village with only a laptop, launching an AI-driven tutoring business that reaches students across continents. That possibility didn't exist 10 years ago, but now it's here. Another game changer lies in AI for coding and software development. Once upon a time, launching an app required months of learning code or hiring expensive developers. Now, AI can generate code from plain English instructions. You describe what you want, and the AI delivers lines of functioning code. This isn't just a productivity boost, it's a revolution. People with no technical background are launching apps, plugins, SaaS platforms, and automation tools without ever touching a line of traditional programming. Early adopters are turning this into entire businesses, creating digital products, subscription services, and software startups in a fraction of the time and cost it once required. Picture a high school student building a full-fledged productivity app with AI's help, then selling it for thousands. We're moving into an era where ideas matter more than technical skills. And those who seize that chance will build the next wave of disruptive software companies. And here's where it gets really interesting. AI for personal branding. In today's economy, your personal brand is often your biggest asset. AI is now helping people refine their social media presence, optimize their LinkedIn profiles, draft thought leadership posts, and even simulate professional headshots. The entrepreneurs and creators who use these tools early are building massive audiences, positioning themselves as leaders in their fields, and monetizing that attention through courses, sponsorships, and products. The difference between someone who ignores these tools and someone who embraces them early is the difference between obscurity and authority in a crowded digital space. Think about the creators who blew up overnight on platforms like TikTok or LinkedIn. Many of them leveraged AI insights to consistently post, optimize, and stand out. Now, step back for a moment. Notice the pattern? Every one of these tools isn't just about doing something faster. It's about leverage. AI doesn't just save time. It multiplies output, reduces barriers, and creates opportunities that were locked away for most people. In the past, you needed money, connections, or teams to pull off what one person with AI can do today. That's why millionaires are being minted. Not because AI hands out wealth, but because it levels the playing field for those willing to experiment and act before the masses wake up. The question becomes, will you wait until everyone is using these tools, or will you position yourself ahead of the curve? History has shown us over and over that the early movers, those who adopt before the crowd, are the ones who capture the largest rewards. Think about the people who started selling on Amazon before it exploded, the ones who began YouTube channels before ads became competitive, or those who bought into Bitcoin before headlines made it mainstream. AI is that moment all over again. Right now, these tools are affordable, accessible, and often overlooked by people who think AI is just hype. But years from now, we'll look back and realize this was the window where small ideas, powered by artificial intelligence, turned into generational wealth. You don't need to be a genius to take advantage. You just need to be early, creative, and willing to act. If you're watching this and you feel that spark, that sense that the future is already here, you're right. Don't underestimate what a few hours exploring these tools can do. Whether it's creating content, launching a business, building an audience, or investing smarter, the opportunity is right in front of you. And the people who recognize it now, not later, are the ones writing the millionaire success stories we'll be reading about soon. So the next step is simple. Dive in, test these tools, build something with them. Don't wait until they're common knowledge and competition makes it harder. This is your chance to grab the early mover's advantage. And if you found this story insightful, do me one favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and join me as we uncover even more hidden opportunities in the world of AI. Because the future isn't coming, it's already here, and it's waiting for you to take action.